Dope. Green dope.
One player different size.
I am shocked at his ability with the limited experience you just touched on with the way this young man has comported himself.
Oh, hits a pair of free throws. Opening minutes here in the second.
You wanna do this? Boom.
That's going to be the second foul on TJ McConnell. Just conferring on whether or not well, a shooting foul, but that's going to be side out.
I love the space in here. Look at all the room to operate. Down he goes. And that's an easy